Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make these easy cashew clusters. Anybody can make this. This is very easy to make. So first I'm going to show you the things that you need. So you need a Hershey's bar, a spoon, a microwavable bowl, and some cashews. Now if you're making this for more than one person, like for this I was making it just for me, so I didn't need a lot of peanuts. But if you're making it more than one person, or you doing it for a Valentine's Day gift or something like that, I suggest you to buy a bigger container of cashews and more Hershey's. And so yeah, so a lot of clips was left out, but I did melt the chocolate. I broke it up in little pieces and I set it in the microwave for a minute, and I stirred it to make sure that it was all melted. And I'm going to add the cashews in there and stir it up one by one. And then I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to scoop a couple of pieces. Like, it's really self-explanatory, and I'm just going to kind of build it on top of each other to make it clustered like. And I'm just going to do that, and I was holding the camera while filming this, and that's what I did. Some people do add caramel to there, so if you want to do that, you can also do that when you're mixing up the chocolate, but I never done it that way. I just want my peanuts to be covered with chocolate. So I'm going to take this container top and I'm going to put it on top of it, and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator, and I'll let it sit overnight, but it was pretty much intact 2 hours later, so you don't have to wait that long to get this done. So you guys, so this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me if you tried this dessert before, and yeah, so I'll touch you guys later. Bye.